If you own or you have just acquired a Mercedes W123 300TD wagon and you pull the spare tire out of the hole back here, you might be a little confused about this extra fuel tank. Some people actually think this is an extra fuel tank. One guy on a forum said, well, where do you fill this? Well, it's not a fuel tank. It's an expansion tank. It allows this weird flat tank to expand fuel and vapor when you park the car at an angle or you overfill it. Now, normally this is not a problem, particularly on the early models, but I'm going to show you why on the later models it can be a problem. I'm in the back of a 1985 wagon, and the one you just saw I removed from an 81 300TD wagon. And look, they look pretty much the same, although there's a little bit difference in the ribbing here. But here's the big difference. Watch as I tap on this one. Now watch this one when I tap on it. See, this one's plastic. Somewhere around 1982, maybe 1983, they changed from installing metal expansion tanks in these wagons to putting in plastic. And so you can imagine what's going to happen with a plastic tank. And we're getting emails from some of our customers saying, hey, you got any of these expansion tanks? They're not available. And this one here I removed from another wagon. You can see everything is plastic, including the mounting points. And this one has a tag on it, so that was probably a replacement. But what happens is they'll crack down in here, they'll start leaking on these seams. So I just wanted to alert you, if you have a wagon and it has one of these plastic tanks, you start smelling diesel fuel in the car, you want to pull the spare tire and check for wetness around the bottom of your expansion tank. This is one of the most common reasons for diesel fuel smell in the back of these Mercedes diesel station wagons. Now, I do have a couple of these metal ones in stock. If you're having a problem with your plastic one, the metal one will fit right in. All the mounting points, even the hose connect points, are in the same position. So if you have a leaking plastic tank, try to acquire a metal one from an 81 or early 82 300TD wagon. You'll be a lot happier. Once you install a metal one in one of these wagons, you'll never have a problem again.